Hi, today I'll be unpacking this Series 6 Collect Them All Moshi Monsters packet. And yeah, it's just Series 6. You get a secret free rocks code and 2 characters, collector card and secret card. So here, let me just open it. I only have one hand, so I'm just going to open it with 2. Okay, it's open. So here is our collector card. Sprinkles. Oh god. Here is our secret code. And our first moshling is, what's her name? Linton. Here's little swirly arms. Linton and... oh wait, Linton is number 44. Let it focus. That's him, number 44. And we have this little guy. His name is Billy Bob Buttyman. That's him, I think. Is that him? Yep. And he is number M25. And that's him, because you never saw it and it wasn't focused then. So here it is. If you want, what else do you want? What else do you want us to do? Please hit the like button, subscribe, and comment. Bye.